Do you want to succeed in 2024? Are you ready to level up your game and make the most of the upcoming year? Welcome to a journey of empowerment where we'll be sharing 6 powerful tips to help you conquer the year ahead. It's never too early to start preparing for success, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Stay with us and get ready to be empowered with these 6 tips to conquer 2024. Tip number 1, set clear goals. This is the foundation of your success journey. Goals are like the compass that guide your actions. They provide a clear direction towards where you want to go. Without goals, you're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly in the sea of life. Now, setting goals is more than just saying, I want to be successful. It's about being specific and realistic. If you want to climb a mountain, don't just say, I want to reach the top. Say, I will reach the top of Mount Everest by the end of 2025. That's a clear, specific, and achievable goal. Remember, your goals should challenge you, but they should also be within your reach. It's about finding that balance between aspiration and realism. So take some time, think about what you truly want, and set your goals. Remember, a clear goal is the first step towards success. Moving on to tip number 2, embrace continuous learning. This is not merely about absorbing information. It's a dynamic process of consistently refreshing and expanding your knowledge and skills. This can be as simple as reading a new book each month, taking an online course, or attending a seminar. In the professional realm, continuous learning is key to staying relevant. As technology evolves and industries shift, the demand for certain skills changes. Those who adapt and learn these new skills are the ones who flourish. On a personal level, continuous learning enriches your life. It broadens your perspective, fuels curiosity, and opens up new worlds of possibilities. Consider the stories of successful individuals. You'll find a common thread. They're lifelong learners. They're the ones asking questions, seeking new experiences, and constantly pushing their boundaries. So, start today. Embrace a learning mindset. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep succeeding. Tip number 3, develop resilience. Let's think about resilience as the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's the inner strength that allows you to push through tough times, to get up when you've been knocked down. Resilience is like a rubber band. The more you're stretched, the stronger you become. Now, how do you develop resilience? It's all about mindset. Start by viewing challenges as opportunities. Every hurdle is a chance to learn and grow. Next, practice positivity. Keep a gratitude journal, celebrate your small wins, surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, it's okay to stumble as long as you pick yourself up. Another great way to build resilience is by taking care of your physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and a good night's sleep can do wonders. Lastly, don't forget to ask for help when you need it. You're not alone in this journey. With resilience, every setback becomes a setup for a comeback. Here's tip number 4, cultivate positive relationships. Relationships, both personal and professional, are the bedrock of success. They provide support, open opportunities, and add richness to our lives. So, how can we cultivate these positive relationships? First, be genuine. People gravitate towards authenticity. Show interest in others, not just what they can do for you, but who they are as individuals. Second, practice empathy. Understand others' perspectives and feelings. This builds trust and deepens connections. Third, communicate effectively. Clear, respectful communication prevents misunderstandings and strengthens bonds. Fourth, be giving. Share your time, knowledge, or resources without expecting anything in return. This creates goodwill and reciprocity. And lastly, stay committed. Relationships need time and effort to grow. Be there for others in good times and in bad. Cultivating positive relationships is not just about networking. It's about nurturing bonds that can enrich your life in countless ways. Remember, your network is your net worth. Tip number 5, practice self-care. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to forget about the one person that matters the most, you. But remember, your health and well-being aren't just important, they're the foundation of your success. Think of your body and mind as a well-oiled machine. If you neglect its maintenance, it won't perform at its optimal level. That's where self-care comes in. From eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly, to taking a break when you need it and prioritizing sleep, self-care keeps your machine running smoothly. And it's not just about physical health. Mental health is equally important. Meditate, read a book, listen to your favorite music, do whatever it takes to keep your mind sharp and relaxed. Take care of yourself because you can't pour from an empty cup. Finally, tip number 6, stay focused and consistent. In this fast-paced, ever-changing world, maintaining focus and consistency can be a tough nut to crack. But they're the secret ingredients that make success taste so sweet. Focus is about channeling your energy towards your goals, not being sidetracked by distractions. Consistency, on the other hand, is the ability to persistently follow through, day after day, even when the going gets tough. So, how do you stay focused and consistent? Begin by setting achievable daily targets. Break down your long-term goals into bite-sized tasks. Use tools and techniques that aid in concentration, like time blocking or meditation. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. Just pick up where you left off. Stay focused, stay consistent, and success will follow. So there you have it, 6 power tips to help you succeed in 2024. To recap, we've talked about setting clear goals, embracing continuous learning, developing resilience, cultivating positive relationships, practicing self-care, and staying focused and consistent. Remember, the time to start preparing for the coming year is now. Let's make 2024 our best year yet. Share this video with a friend if you found it helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to Illumination Summit for more life-changing videos like this.